This channel over here named SpongeBob Knowing gained more than 1 million subscribers. But you would be shocked to know that this channel started only 3 months ago, which makes many of us doubt that how is this even possible? But I must tell you that this has been possible because of this special niche on which this channel is making videos. And in only 3 months, they have gained more than 213 million short views. Let's check how much revenue they made so far in 90 days. As we know, RPM for shorts ranges from $0.10 to $0.20 for entertainment category. So if we assume an average of $0.15 RPM for 1,000 views for their videos. So first we will divide their total views with 1,000 and then multiply it with their RPM. So guys, this channel has made over $30,000 in 3 months, which is like $10,000 for 1 month, and that too from YouTube Shorts. Check out a small sample of one of SpongeBob Knowing's video.
Question 1. Name any fruit. I'm gonna go with apple.
Guys, this channel is making videos on brain teaser niche, and I haven't seen any competition on this niche, which makes it a perfect opportunity for you guys to grow. So today, we will not learn only how to make these videos, but along with you guys, I will also do a 30 days challenge on this niche, and we'll share those results with all of you. So tighten up your seatbelts, because today I will be showing you what exactly I would do if I had to start everything from scratch, from creating a new professional channel till uploading my first ever short video on my new channel. So don't miss any step, because you won't find any video like this on whole YouTube, and this video can be your ultimate guide in starting your own YouTube automation business, so let's go. First step will be to create a new channel. For that, click on your profile logo and click on Switch Accounts and then view all channels and then create a new channel. Now guys, if you have any name in mind, simply write it down here. Or in case you don't have any name in your mind, you can take help of ChatGPT. I will ask ChatGPT to provide me some unique and easy to remember YouTube channel names on brain teaser niche, and GPT will then spit them out. Then simply choose a good name and just paste it down here and your channel will be created. Then open YouTube Studio and go to customization, and now you need to upload your logo here. You can create one by yourself using Leonardo AI or download a simple image from Google or from Lexica. You have to do this by yourself so that each of you have a different type of logo. And for channel banner, in starting, you don't even need it. And I will also skip this part. I will not upload a banner on this channel in my 30 days challenge. So after all this is done, know we need a good, well-written description for our channel. For that, we will again take help of ChatGPT in getting description for our channel. Just tell ChatGPT what your channel is about and also tell it your channel name, and GPT will then provide you with a good description. Just copy it up and paste it here. Now there is one more important step, actually very important step we have to SEO, optimize our channel for maximum exposure on YouTube. For that, we will ask ChatGPT to provide me relevant and high search tags for our channel, and it will spit them out. Now, all you need to do is copy up first tag, then go to settings, then channel, and paste the tag here, and then one by one paste all tags here, and then also write down your channel name here 3 times, 1 time exactly as it is written on your channel, and then once write it in small alphabets, and then once in completely capital alphabets. It will help YouTube to rank your channel in search results, no matter how the viewers search your channel. Know our channel is completely ready, but don't upload your first video as soon as you create a new channel. Instead, use that account for minimum 48 hours and watch videos similar to your niche so that YouTube has enough of your data to push your video in Shorts feed. Now, heading to the most important part, writing a super amazing script with a powerful hook to increase our chances of getting good enough views on our first video. And for that, I have a special prompt I tried providing ChatGPT different types of prompts, and this final prompt gave the best possible results. And don't worry, each person will get different story every time you provide ChatGPT this prompt, and don't be a robot, guys. You are humans, use your creativity, and if ChatGPT does provide you same script every time, just simply ask it to write a different story, and you will have a best professional script in your hands in matter of seconds. Now guys, we will be using VSub for making these videos. I am personally a premium user of VSubs since 4 months, and it's a powerful AI tool. And lately they added this new brain teaser niche, and I thought that you should be the first one to start working on this trend. So hurry up before it's too late. So guys, now first you can select your language, and then here comes the best part. You can select any type of character for your video. There are plenty of famous cartoon, anime, and celebrities available here, and many new will be coming soon, as I am myself a huge fan of Dragon Ball Z, so I will go with it. Then just click on continue, and after you land on this page, now pay attention on this page, you will have to do all the work first. To get started in the video, click on add comment. This comment will act as hook or intro of your video. Now, first select a character gesture that you want in your video, and you can also adjust voiceover stability. It will basically help with emotions of the voiceover, and then go back to ChatGPT and carefully copy up intro and paste it here. And then click on generate voice and save your content will be added. So if we play the video, you see our character is coming. Don't worry, I will show the final results at end. Then after this, go back to ChatGPT and know first, copy up your first question and don't copy the answer. Just copy the question and paste it in the question section, and then first, select the image that you want to come on the screen with the question. After that, select the entire answer from ChatGPT and paste it in the answer section, and then choose the image you want to appear with the answer, and then in final section, just write down the main answer keyword, like whether it's a fruit name or animal or anything in your case, and it will appear at the side. And then, again, generate and save voice, and our first level, which is named Easy, is created. Now, you can create 5 to 6 levels, but the video will be lengthy, so just add 3 to 4 questions or level. Now again, add a question and then again repeat the same procedure as before. And then this level will be considered as medium level, and keep repeating the same process. There is no rocket science. The procedure is same for every level. Just add a question and simply provide your context. Now from video section, you can either upload your own gameplay footage that will run in the background of your video, or just download a gameplay from Marketplace using your credits. Currently they are out of stock, but will be available soon enough. And don't worry if the video quality is poor while you are making the video, because once you export the video, it will be in full HD. And guys, you don't need background music for this niche, and their pricing is extremely decent with starter plan, which costs only $29. You can make 30 of these videos and upload 1 video daily on your channel. They also offer limited lifetime plans, so buy one that your pocket agrees with, and also your video is completely ready. Simply export it out. Let's take a look at it.
Think you're smarter than me? Let's find out. All right, I'll start simple. What's something you eat that's green, crunchy, and goes well in salads? Got it? Now I'll guess. Did you say cucumber? If so, you're out. If not, well played. But
now guys, this is the content that attracts broader audience. So don't skip the video, because we have to do some important settings while uploading our video. So first, we will simply upload our video on our channel, and then again go back to ChatGPT, and then copy paste your script and ask ChatGPT to provide me relevant, short, simple, and clickable titles for my video with relevant hashtags and tags to viral my video. In this way, ChatGPT will provide you complete SEO for your short, and you don't need description for YouTube shorts. So no, just copy paste all the material from ChatGPT to your video, like placing title, hashtags, and tags. And feel free to do adjustments in your title as you seem fit. And remember to tick this altered content. Don't worry, it's just for formality. It won't affect your monetization. And see, our copyright check also passed. No, make sure you upload your video at specific hours not related to your country, instead related to countries like USA, UK, and Canada, because these types of videos are mostly watched in these countries. And we all know that no matter the country, people are mostly free after 5 to 6 p.m. and some are free after 9 to 10 p.m. So you can use Google to see if it's 5 p.m. in USA or UK. Then what time will it be in your country, and you will have your uploading time. Now guys, I will upload 1 video daily for 30 days on this channel, and will share the results with you after 30 days. So if you are in this channel with me, then type 30 days challenge in the comments of this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out my 30 days challenge results.